I'm happy to announce that the second module is now open, but before I walk you through it, I just wish to congratulate all those who have successfully completed the first module. You have survived. You can see the scores in the grade book that you can access from the navigation panel on the right. The second module is entitled Personality. It starts today and closes on the 9th of November. The different objectives of this module are presented here. I would now like to point your attention to this girl with the card that says, "What do you think?" Clicking the image brings you to a weekly language poll. Some of you missed it in the first module. It's a simple language question to choose from the 2 or 3 options, in this case 3. Click what you think is correct and then click Save My Choice. These polls are anonymous, so don't worry about getting it wrong. We will start off with some grammar. As in the first module, you have activity 2.1, which is the practice session with links to different sites, which will provide you with plentiful practice of noun use in English. Then comes the grammar assignment, 2 worksheets for you this time about noun gender and noun number. Submitting your assignment is the same as in the previous module. Now we come to a new thing, a new activity for you, and that is vocabulary practice with words from the Secret Diary of Adrian Mole, more specifically the January section. The first thing you will see when you click the link is the video explaining how to use the flashcards that you see here at the bottom of the screen. I'll say no more, you'll see everything in the video. Though the software itself is quite intuitive, I'm sure you won't have any problems with it. Next 2 activities is the vocabulary practice on character and health and medicine. If you pay attention to the note, it says you do not need to submit these worksheets. There for your own practice. If you have anything you wish to discuss or you're not sure about, feel free to bring up the matter in our next class. Next we have a writing assignment, an essay that you're going to write. It's going to be a description of a place. As you can see, the explanation of the task is quite long, but please read it carefully. There are lots of details there that would help you prepare and plan your essay, and also how to submit it. Then we come to the forum assignment. This time, this is an assignment for moderating a discussion in the next 2 weeks. The first thing you're going to see is that this assignment is only for particular students. But it says everything in the explanation. Again, read very carefully. And finally, as promised, for your class with Professor Spasic, activity 2.8, semantic fields, clicking the link brings you to an introduction and instruction page, written instructions, steps 1 to 7, in addition to a video tutorial on how to do this task, that is, how to submit your semantic fields. And that's it for the second module. I'm looking forward to your work, especially your first essays.